Have you seen this? The internet is obsessed with investing in stocks with just $1. Titles like, Turn $1 into $1,000 on Robinhood, or The Ultimate $1 Investing Hack for 2025. But before you hit that download button or dump your Starbucks change into a meme stock, let's talk about what they're not telling you. You're being sold a dream, and someone's cashing in. Spoiler, it's not you. $1 investing in 2025, genius move or pure scam? The setup, why everyone's talking about this. Let's be honest. The idea of investing just one single dollar and magically entering the stock market sounds great, right? You're sitting at home, watching Reels or YouTube Shorts, and boom, someone tells you that you can buy a piece of Amazon, Tesla, or Apple with your leftover lunch money. No barriers, no brokers, just you, your phone, and a buck. And platforms like Robinhood, Webull, and even Cash App have made it super easy. With fractional shares, you really can buy into stocks with less than the cost of a gas station energy drink. But here's where the plot twist comes in. Red flag number 1, the $1 clickbait trap on-screen warning. Clickbait is not equal to strategy. They hook you in with the promise of riches, then dump a referral link in your lap and peace out. That $1 is just bait, not a plan. You're watching a financial fairy tale. Red flag number 2, affiliate link culture. Click this link to get a free stock worth up to $200. Sound familiar? That's because the real game isn't about helping you invest. It's about getting you to sign up. These creators earn money every time someone registers using their link. And what do you get? Maybe a share of some penny stock you've never heard of. Not saying affiliate marketing is evil, we all gotta eat. But be clear, you are not being educated. You're being sold. What $1 really gets you in 2025? So what can you do with $1 in the market? Well, platforms like Robinhood do allow fractional shares. For example, Tesla's stock might be $800, but you can own 0.00125 of a share. Example breakdown. $1 in SP 500 ETF like VO equals you now own 0.002 units. $1 in Apple equals 0.005 shares. That it's a cool feature, don't get me wrong. But here's the kicker. You're not making real money with just $1. It's more like dipping your toe in. On-screen quote, $1 isn't investing, it's practicing. Red flag number 3, oversimplified advice, just set it and forget it. All you need is $1 a day. I mean, that's adorable. But in reality, investing is a skill. And if someone's making it sound too easy, they're probably skipping the boring stuff, like taxes, volatility, inflation, and portfolio balance. Chart decreasing examples. No talk of expense ratios in ETFs. No mention of capital gains taxes. Zero discussion of market cycles. If your 60-second TikTok investing guide doesn't mention risk, it's not education. It's entertainment. Who's actually making the money? Here's the uncomfortable truth. These videos help creators, not viewers. Examples of creator earnings. YouTube ad revenue. Affiliate signups. Sponsored content. Course sales disguised as advice. I'm not hating the hustle, but let's call it what it is. It's marketing dressed as mentorship. Smart ways to actually start investing, alright. If you do only have $1 or $5 or $10 to start, here's how to do it the right way. 1. Use reputable brokerages. Robinhood, Fidelity, Schwab, Vanguard all offer fractional investing. Check for fees, app reliability, and customer support. 2. Start with ETFs. VO, SPY, SCHD safe, broad exposure. They grow slow and steady, not meme stock chaos. 3. Set a consistent schedule. Use auto investing. Even $10 a week can build a long-term habit. 4. Educate yourself. Read books, not hype. Try The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham. The Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel 5. Focus on long-term growth. You're not flipping stocks for lunch money. You're planting financial seeds. On-screen quote, investing is a marathon, not a meme. How scams thrive on FOMO. Most people fall for these $1 to rich scams because of one thing. FOMO. Fear of missing out. People buying at ADH all-time highs. Meme stocks pumping and crashing the moment a creator says, do this now. Take a breath. If the stock market worked like a cheat code, we'd all be millionaires already. Final truth bombs. Look, there's nothing wrong with starting small. Starting with $1 is better than doing nothing. But let's stop pretending that dollar is a golden ticket. Key takeaways recap. $1 investing is real. but won't make you rich. Most content around it is just lead gen for creators. Start small, but also start smart. Real investing takes time, effort, and education. If this helped you dodge a scam or just gave you clarity, hit that like button. Drop a comment with your biggest investing myth you've heard online. Maybe we'll bust it in the next video. Bell subscribe for weekly investing truths. Real talk, no hype. And if you still want to try the $1 challenge, hey, just don't forget who warned you first.